Want you like coffee or tea, Americano or espresso. I don't know how I can espresso.
Hi guys, today we are making creamy, thick and creamy kimchi pasta. It is so delicious. It is perfect for your weeknight dinner or weekend gathering with your friends and family. Everybody gonna love this recipe. It is so easy to make as well. So I just put my avocado oil to my pan over medium heat, and I'm going to slice my onion nice and thin. Onion goes into the pan. Add a little pinch of salt and pepper. My onions are nice and soft. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of well-fermented kimchi, tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And you see like a little bit of a burn spot on the bottom because of you added the soy sauce into the hot pan. No worries, because that's where the smoky, delicious flavor coming from. So we are going to stir fry the kimchi, onion, soy sauce, and by the way, I'm using vegetarian oyster sauce if you guys are wondering. And to your taste, you can actually go ahead and add a little bit of gochugaru. I'm gonna add a little bit because I love spicy food. You all know. And I know you guys love spicy food too, so go ahead and add a little bit. Now the secret of super thick, creamy kimchi pasta, the sauce. So you will need 1/4 block of firm tofu and 1 cup of milk. I'm using nut milk. I tasted this nut milk because on Instagram, one of you actually recommended that this milk is fantastic. So I decided to taste it, and it is fantastic. So if you don't like nut milk or soy milk kind of stuff, this nut milk is perfect for you because it actually tastes like real milk. Anyways, 1 cup of nut milk. Nut milk, not sponsored. Close it up, and we are going to blend it until nice and silky and smooth and soft. So that little bit of that firm tofu with the plant-based milk, that's my secret to have nice and deliciously thick, creamy pasta. This technique will actually work any pasta you decide to do. But today, obviously, I'm making creamy kimchi pasta. And you know, you see all this nice, like all the kimchi juice and gochugaru and soy sauce all stuck on the bottom, and this is what you want. When you're cooking this plant-based food, you need to like create as much as a flavor, as much as possible. Any technique that can do, you know what I mean? Let's pour our creamy sauce into the kimchi stir-fry mixture. Look at that color. It's gonna be so fantastic. Add 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice because we want as much kimchi flavor as possible for this recipe. Go ahead and scrape all this bottom of the pan to the sauce so we don't miss out any of these flavors. Oh, I forgot to add our key ingredients. About 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. To me, 1/2 teaspoon is smoky enough, but if you want extra smoky flavor, add 1 teaspoon. You see how thick this sauce is already? It's ridiculous. I'm using spaghetti today, but you can use any noodles that you have. You can use instant ramen noodles for this. Any pasta, short pasta, long pasta, doesn't matter. You can use fresh noodles. You can use udon noodles. Whatever it is, like rice noodles, go ahead and use for the gluten-free option. Yeah. Time for the pasta. Cook the pasta into the sauce. And on top of the noodles, I'm going to add the nutritional yeast. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you like this nutritional yeast cheesy flavor. Let the nutritional yeast kind of melt and stick to the noodle first, like so. And then go ahead and mix into the sauce. Let me just use my chopstick because this is more comfortable for me than tongue, believe it or not. Oh, you thought I was kidding when I said nice and thick and creamy. Oh, if you love like extra thick pasta, this is for you, girl. Makes me so excited. I made this with instant ramen noodles before and udon noodles. Oh, they're so delicious. In Korea, we call 꾸덕꾸덕. This texture is 꾸덕꾸덕. Not milk. Not sponsored, but delicious. My final touch would be my Violife vegan Parmesan cheese. Girls, if you love cheese, go ahead and let it snow on your pasta. Let it snow, let it snow, let it... Perfect Christmas dish. Red pasta, kind of rosé style pasta. Honestly, this Violife Parmesan cheese doesn't have the real cheese flavor, but it smells like and it looks like real Parmesan cheese, and that's why I love them. Oh, black pepper. Turn off the heat. Little black pepper. Oh, did you hear that? It sounds like a reindeer. This is a Christmas special.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom.
I'm gonna decorate it by sprinkling some gochugaru, because why not? Extra snow. Instead of chopped parsley or herbs, we are going to just put some green onion right on top. My mom is visiting us and I just ate a huge breakfast. Honestly, I'm not really that hungry, but you could eat this with chopsticks.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath. Now when I miss it, I'm in my mind, but protagonist and all my drink, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with that.
If you liked my thick, creamy kimchi pasta, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious plant-based recipes. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. This is some rosé. I'm good.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirloom.